Hey there. So I just got this IDOBAO ID80. This is the version 2, and so I had the version 1 before. It was colored gold, and I gave it to my brother. So this new V2 should it's pretty much its only difference as far as I can tell is the bottom. It's uh, like acrylic. So there's a because the PCB has a underglow on it, so you can see it instead of being solid metal on the bottom. And I got the white one, so I'm just here to show you what's in the box. So here it is. So as you can see, it's pretty much the only writing on it. Okay, so you get a space bar. This is nice, an artisan space bar. It's probably PBT since you can see there's like it's warped a bit, and there's like some imperfections on it. Like this part, there's some rough spots on it. I mean, it's still nice though. And then you get a cable, USB-C to USB-A, and then some feet, and then some extra Hotswap sockets in case. It's also some screws, and then what is this? Oh yeah, rubber feet. And then this is the keyboard itself. So yeah, I got the E-white. That's weird. It's kind of rough in some areas. And then you see on the bottom, it's just translucent. And then some a brass weight. I think this is pretty much it. Yep, that's it. And then the stab's already in it. But I mean, I have to remove it and lube it. Yeah, it's pretty much, it's nice. Like it, and I feel like it's heavier than the original one. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching my unboxing of the IDOBAO ID80.